Hi, I'm Evangeline and I'm here with Marvin. And Marvin, what was the initial problem or main reason why you came into the office?
I had knee problems. I had one knee worked on, repaired, and the other knee I wasn't sure I wanted to do that with. I come in here to see what I can do with it, and it helped me a lot. Helped me a lot on the walking. My left knee was able to seem to get a lot better without doing repairs on it on the right knee. And I'm able to walk a lot better up and down the stairs than I did before I come in here. Just get around better all around with my feet and knees.
All right, and then if you had to take a guess, how long have you been having that issue?
Knee issue?
Yeah, that knee pain.
Was, a couple years.
Couple years?
Yeah.
And then so how is it negatively affecting your life or your daily routine?
Well, I just wasn't able to get around. I wasn't able to get around like I wanted to. Now I'm able to walk a lot better than before I came in here.
What would you say to someone who's also having knee pain or trouble getting around because of their knees?
Well, I would say it's definitely worth time coming in here to do what I did with mine. It just really helped.
Yeah. Well, that's all for now. There you have it. And then if you notice, or if you have anyone or any loved ones that are having the same type of issues or problems that you may hear in some of these videos, don't hesitate to give us a call and then come out and get checked out.